Ibhodi yotywala yaseRhawutini ilinqumamisile okwethutyana iphepha-mvume lokuthengisa utywala kwindawo okanye le ndawo yokutya nolonwabo iZanzu yaseHatfield ePitoli. Esi sigqibo siza ngenxa yokuvela kwemifanekiso emanyumnyezi ebonisa izenzo zobundlobongela, ukungcungcuthekiswa kunye nokuthotyelwa kwesidima kwiqela labafana abancinci ekuxelwa ukuba basilela ukuhlawula ityala labo. Ukususela ekuqaleni kwale veki, imifanekiso yoshicilelo eyongezeleleyo oko imana ukuvela kumaqonga onxibelelwano kwaye ibangela isankxwe. Okanye ke kwingxelo ejole kwesi sehlo, ibhodi yotywala ithi oku kuphazamisa imibuzo okanye kuphakamisa imibuzo ebalulekile malunga nokhuseleko lwaseZanzu okanye ukuthotyelwa kwemigaqo yomthetho.
The Gauteng Liquor Board, the GLB, following its statutory mandate under the Gauteng Liquor Act of 2003, has taken decisive regulatory action against Dodida Pty Ltd, trading under the name and style Zanzu Nightclub, by suspending its liquor license with immediate effect. This decision follows reports of severe non-compliance and violations of the law that has come to light through various media channels and regulatory investigations. The suspension is issued in terms of Section 106, subsection 5, and 117, subsection 1 of the Gauteng Liquor Act. This follows allegations in a video depicting acts of ill treatment, torture, and sexual assault of individuals identified as employees and or patrons of the establishment. These incidents have raised significant concerns regarding the safety and lawful operation of the premises. Section 29, subsection 1 of the Gauteng Liquor Act mandates all licenses to comply with their obligations and responsibilities as stipulated by law. In addition, Section 45, subsection 1 requires licensed premises to adhere to all applicable laws, including municipal bylaws and national regulations. The license has demonstrably failed to meet these legal requirements. Furthermore, Section 127I of the Gauteng Liquor Act explicitly classifies any contravention of the Gauteng Liquor Act as an offence. Given the gravity of these findings and the potential threat posed to public safety, the GLB has resolved to suspend the liquor license of Zanzu Nightclub pending the conclusion of the formal inquiry under Section 106 of the Gauteng Liquor Act, as well as the completion of ongoing SAPS investigations.